Assalamu alaikum students. I am Mrs. Hafsa, your computer teacher from Army Public School and College System Rahimiyar Khan. And the topic of today's lesson is classification of digital computers. In classification of digital computer, we are going to discuss supercomputer, mainframe computer, mini computer and microcomputer. Supercomputer. Supercomputers are the largest, fastest, and the most powerful computers. These computers are very expensive and their speed is measured in trillions of instructions per second. These computers are built to process huge amount of data. Supercomputers are used to solve complex problems. These computers have been used for scientific and engineering applications that must handle very large databases and do a great amount of computations. These computers are used in nuclear research and weather forecasting. Government organizations use these computers to meet their extraordinary demand for processing data, which require tremendous processing speed, memory, and other services. Mainframe computer. Mainframe computers were developed in early 1940s. A mainframe computer is a very large, powerful and expensive computer that can support hundreds and even thousands of users at the same time. Therefore, these computers are used in large organizations. These computers can execute more than trillions of instructions per second. Mainframe computers are used in large organizations. The modern mainframe computers that use cutting edge technology are the foundation of today's business in banking, insurance, education, air travel, research, healthcare, government, and many other public and private organizations. Here cutting edge technology means advanced technology. Mini computer. Mini computer was introduced in 1960s when IC chips were introduced. A mini computer is bigger than a microcomputer but smaller than a mainframe. These computers can execute billions of instructions per second. Therefore, they can process more data than microcomputers. Mini computers with cutting edge technology are playing an important role in business organizations for their data processing requirements. These are used in organizations that have hundreds of users, such as PIA, NADRA, police department, and hospitals. Microcomputer. Microcomputer was introduced in 1970s when microprocessor was developed. A microprocessor is a single chip that controls the operations of entire computer system. A microcomputer is also known as personal computer or PC. Microcomputers are the smallest and the low cost computers. They have large storage capacity and they can execute millions of instructions per second. These computers are most commonly used in homes and offices.